I believe Bennett MBA is not in competition with other MBAs. We are not here to say that we are going to do exactly what others are doing and say that we are doing some of the things better than them. What we are doing is we are trying to redefine the MBA. Now, why do you need to do that? The primary difference is that there is a subtle change which happened from the last century to this century. If you look at the most of our management theories which we learn and practice in old economy companies, these are all driven by the automobile industry or the old economy industries, where the concept is always on competition. The concept is always on focus. Concept is always on traditional things where you are looking at one particular thing and try to excel in that. And the competition is going to be the key essence. Even the strategy is actually, we call it as a competitive strategy. But if you look at today, the things have changed. With the internet, the philosophy behind the internet, and the computer-led revolutions and the industries which happened in the e-commerce space, etc., competition is swiftly moving into collaboration. And also, the classical things of business, which is the land, material, labor, all those things are getting changed. And you are now looking at how do you create asset-light businesses? How do you leverage on business assets which are available with multiple people through a collaborative medium to come into the newer space as such? And that's basically the space where Bennett MBA is going to operate. So what we are going to see is that while we take up the conventional theories to some extent, we say that this has to be adapted to the newer world. The world where people work on collaborative models, people work across the globe, etc. And how do I actually excel in that? And that's a space which we are going to give. So if I look at a large crowded space of MBA institutions, I believe that a large number of them are still focusing on the old theories of competition and old ways of working. So Bennett has got that advantage that even though it is backed with an industry group which is 175 years young, we take that as the legacy on which we work on to come out with the newer schemes of management practice and theory.